Have you ever felt like you're just going through the motions? Like your life is a series of to-do lists, but the main point is missing? What if your deepest purpose isn't something you find, but something that finds you in your broken places? This is the story of Eris, and it might just help you see your own story in a new light. On a sun-drenched Greek island, there lived a potter named Eris. His hands knew the clay like an old friend. His life moved in a gentle rhythm. Wheel, water, fire. It was quiet, it was simple, and some days it felt empty. He made beautiful things, plates for family dinners, pots for olive oil, vases for island flowers. But in the soft hum of the spinning wheel, a single question echoed in his heart. Is this all there is? The world around him seemed to rush toward bigger, shinier things. Tourists passed his shop laughing, chasing moments they would soon forget. They didn't stop. They didn't look. And Eris wondered if his small art, his quiet life, even mattered. Then one fierce autumn night, the sky broke open. Rain lashed the village. Thunder cracked the darkness. A storm, the worst in decades, tore across the island. When morning finally came, Eris stood in silence at the doorway of his workshop. Shelves were destroyed. The floor was covered in shattered pottery. Months of work reduced to fragments. Not just broken pots, but broken hope. It didn't feel like a setback. It felt like an ending. As he began the painful task of cleaning up, his fingers brushed against a large curved shard. He lifted it slowly. It was still beautiful, still strong. And in that moment, he didn't see trash. He saw possibility. That's when the whisper came. Not from the sky, not from the storm, but from the broken piece itself. What if I'm not the end of something, but the beginning of something new? Eris didn't reach for new clay. He reached for glue. He began fitting the broken pieces together, not to hide the cracks, but to honor them. A broken cup gained a brave new handle. A cracked plate became a sunburst clock. Where others saw failure, Eris now saw history, strength, survival, a story. He called his new art Kintsugi, the art of golden repair. When he placed his first mended piece in the shop window, he held his breath. It wasn't perfect. It was better than perfect. It had a story. The first person to stop was a woman. Her eyes carried a quiet sadness of their own. She stared at the golden seams. And then she began to cry. Not tears of sorrow, but of recognition. It's like me, she whispered. Broken, but still here, and maybe still beautiful because of it. That day, Eris didn't just sell a vase. He witnessed a heart begin to heal. Word spread. People didn't just come to buy pottery anymore. They came with their own stories. A lost job, a failed dream, a grieving heart. They saw themselves in the golden cracks. And slowly, Eris's workshop changed. It became more than a place to make things. It became a place where loneliness was undone. Strangers shared tea, shared stories, shared healing from once broken cups. Eris began to teach others. Don't hide the break, he would say softly. Light it up. It's proof you survived. And here is the truth Eris learned. Your purpose is not found by avoiding the storm. It's found in what you do with the pieces afterward. The dream wasn't destroyed, only the old container for it. Your true purpose is to build a new one, with the wisdom of the breaks etched in gold. The potter who once felt invisible became the island's quiet guide. His purpose was never to make perfect pots. It was to remind people that they, imperfect, mended, and real, were already works of art. Years later, Eris still worked the clay, but now sometimes he painted a thin golden line on a pot, even before it was fired. A promise, a reminder. So let me ask you, what is your broken place? The dream that didn't work? The plan that fell apart? Don't curse the pieces. Don't waste your life trying to hide the cracks. Gather them. Take the gold of your hard-won lessons, your resilience, your compassion born from pain, and mend. Your story isn't over. It's just becoming more interesting, and it's finally ready to hold light in a way it never could before.